All right, guys, I'm back again. Once again, sorry about that for give you a late update. I'll take so long for give you guys a update on what's going on. We talk about AI camera coming to Jamaica very soon. Be careful, right, guys. Be careful what you're saying on social media. It will affect you in the future. All right. Now, a lot of people still, a lot of people I get to understand that there's a bigger world out there. And Jamaica need to understand that you don't have to rush to go to the U and to ING. All right? Or to CAN. All right? We don't know what that means. US and UK. All right? You don't have to rush yourself to come at them place here. All right? But if I say if you don't get the chance and the chance the real you want if you work, take it. All right? But there's a bigger world out there. Trust me. Because Jamaican passport is powerful. And it can take you anywhere in the world right now. All right? You have so many countries Jamaican passport can take you without a visa. Where you get to stay in the country for about some of them 60 days, some 30 days, some 2 months, some 1 month. So there's a lot of opportunity with the Jamaican passport. All right? But what I want to simply say to you, leave in the comments and let me know what you guys think, man. Because a lot of Jamaican, you know what I mean, they pressure themselves too much for go to this country. You don't have to. There's a bigger place out there where you guys can go. The Jamaican passport is powerful and it can bring you to places where you've never been before. A good vibes. Bless upon yourself. Leave your comments and let me know why do you think about what I'm saying, man. A good vibes. AI camera is coming to Jamaica and yeah, very soon too. A good vibes. And you know what I mean? I will catch an update with AI camera again when I get the latest update.